Welcome to my channel. Today's video I'm gonna share with you this animation process using Procreate. I'm going to be showing you 3 steps. So, let's get started. The first layer is just a rough draft. We can create a new layer by tapping the plus sign in this layer. Here I am drawing shape line with Studio Pen. I'm using mostly Studio Pen for creating simple and smooth shape. Fill it with skin color. Then, tap the layer, opacity, and reduce by 20–30%. Okay, let's gonna add new layer for your shadow. Click on the new layer and set it to clipping mask. Choose round brush, opacity setting. I'm gonna painting more detail in dark colors with brush pen. Drawing on separate layers makes it easier to adjust composition as well. I'm gonna do some shading, cheek, nose, and lips. So, let's make more smoothly beard styling with the flat blend brush. It's gonna be a more natural. Here is some highlight. I use my custom brush in this video, but you can use noise brush. I'm planning to build my own website for sharing my custom brushes. I can't really say when that will be. So, if you want to know more, let me know in the comments below. So let's move on to the next step. Merge all layers. And make sure the drawing guide option is on. It's easier to make shape lines. There are now character illustration and background. Let's move on the animation parts. Merge all layers, tap the actions, then canvas, animation assist. We can lock the first layer as a background. Let's create new flame, then drawing wavy line like this. Smoke moves like a wave, so move here up diagonally to the right, little by little. We're gonna make 6 frames wave line. Setting the frame for 6 seconds. Now, it's done.